Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
MailConversio AI review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will talk about this software called MailConversio AI. So this is the MailConversio AI review. Right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 6 minutes long. So we will get back to the demo video later on. Right now note down your coupon code MC2OFF for $2 discount on commercial license. So you will be able to get this in $35 only after this coupon code. So it says boost your profits with cutting edge technology. Unlock the power of Netflix style emails to captivate your audience and skyrocket your conversions and generate massive profits with built-in AI powered spam detection technology to keep your emails out of the spam folder and maximize their reach. Okay, all good. Few things you need to know right now. Who is this for? So it says it says to keep your emails out of the spam, which means you already need to be sending out emails. What I'm trying to say here is that if you're a newbie, you can't use this tool as of now, because what this tool is going to do is it will help you to add some widgets, some kind of graphics inside your email, so that when you send emails to your audience, once they open your email, you will have everything such as maybe your Google Map location, your Instagram profile inside the email. Okay, they can see everything through graphics, and that will appeal that they will be able to click more likely in your emails after they open. Okay, so from the beginning, it's not for people who do not have an email list already, or it is not for newbies as of now. You don't have an email list, you have nobody to send email to, you have not made any money online, it's not for you. Let's face it, okay? But if you are an established marketeer, you have an email list, thousands of people in your list, and you might have been noticing that your click-through rate is not very good. People do open the emails, but they don't click through. Then in that case, you might want to go and change the email body and try to make your email more lucrative. Then you may want to go and check out this software. We will see the demo video. After that, you can go and buy and implement whatever they are talking about, and then see if that improves your click-through ratio. Okay, not the open rate. Open rate depends on your subject headline. The click-through rate depends on your email body and how your email from inside looks like. Okay, so let's come back to the demo video later on. I hope I'm clear in the beginning. It is not for newbies, because newbies do not have an email list, so you cannot utilize this software. Okay, but if you're a newbie and you do want to make money, then you can check out these two links here below my video, which I personally use these two methods. The first method is make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy. Now Forex trading is this: you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. However, we do all this with the help of a software, and we will be installing that software on this graph, and then I will be giving the settings to that software, and it will be working automatically after that. Okay, more details in the end. Now the second link says here make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is working Traffic Jarvis is all about working manually on YouTube, like me right now. Okay, so I'm free as in I am a full-timer. Okay, I work online full-time, so I do these reviews, I work on my YouTube channel, and I do a lot of other things. Okay, so if you want to make money on YouTube for free, because if you are dreaming about making money for free, then YouTube is the only option. You don't have a choice here. Okay, you will have to come on YouTube, you have to make your videos, somebody else will be watching your videos, and if they buy, then you make money. In my case, I make money on YouTube when you don't even buy anything from me, because my YouTube channel is monetized, which means when you watch my video, you must have been watching some ads in this video too, and these ads make me money. YouTube pays me some money for that. So even if you don't buy anything from me, I have made a little bit money from this video as well. So if you want to make money exactly the way I do, you will first of all have to be comfortable in making YouTube videos by coming on the camera, or by not coming on the camera, but at least you have to speak. Okay, so in case you want to do affiliate marketing for free, then YouTube is the best way to start, and you can get more information with when you click on this link here. So we'll talk about all these links in the end. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and you know the drill. So go and use these buttons. And now coming back to the sales page here, we have read until here. Then we have some technology here, so let's not waste time, because the only thing which you need to focus on is the demo video. Okay, these are testimonials if you want to hear them or watch them. So I will be leaving the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. So in the description it will be saying grab MailConversio AI copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. And after that you can scroll through, and let's see if we have anything else on the sales page which I need to talk about. Otherwise we'll proceed towards the demo video. So far it's all cool. The price is $37 for the commercial license, and then they are suggesting that you can become some kind of freelancer as well. Avoid that. There's nothing you can do to become a freelancer as of now if you're a newbie. Okay, these are the features, so make sure you check out these comparisons between personal license and commercial license. But the public secret is that go for the commercial license. Then we have questions. So how easy is it to use MailConversio AI? Read everything here. I will not waste my time. So monthly fee, no, and that's it, right? So just go ahead and check out everything on the sales page. Let's go to the demo video. And what I will be doing is I will be leaving the link. The link of this demo video below my YouTube video as well. It will be saying watch MailConversio AI demo here. Click on that link. That link will take you to this 6 minutes long demo video. It's a good demo video. They have verbal instructions, so somebody is explaining verbally in this video what they're doing. I'll only give you a glimpse here. So this is the URL you have to add. So maybe you can see here they're showing that you can link or attach your own business location. You can send this Google Maps location inside the email, and they can click on it. They can see inside the email, and it might increase CTR. Okay, then you can also add this scarcity timer as well. And then you can add a lot of things. If you go further, you will be able to add buy now button. Then you will be able to add your Instagram profile, your TikTok social media badges. You see, so a lot of things you can add. You can even add your social media posts. You can add your Instagram reels. You can add your TikTok reels, and these all things will open inside the email. That's the funny part. Okay. So you can add your Twitter post as well. You can add your Pinterest post as well. So they have done explaining, and you will still have to go through it's only a 6 minutes video. After you buy this, inside that I think they will have a proper training in which you will learn how to integrate this with your autoresponder. Okay, because as I said, this is not for newbies. It's only for experienced marketers who are already using an autoresponder they're working with, GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, whatever. Okay, so only buy if you know what you are going to do after you buy. If you're a newbie, don't buy. Okay, then we have OTOs here. Where are the OTOs? Right here, I guess. Okay, so this is front end in $37. These are the features. Pause the video, read through. And then OTO, what is MailConversio Unlimited? Yes, you need the unlimited version, I guess. Okay, so pay them $97. And what else do we have? OTO 2 is Pro, $67. 3 is consultancy. Check out everything here. If you need it, then go and get it. OTO 4 is reseller license. Then we have 4 OTOs only so far. Okay, so 4 OTOs. Be ready to spend some money, front end. And then OTO 1 should be, if you are really serious about using the software, then you might have to go for OTO 1 as well. Okay, but choice is all yours, right? So you will find all the links below the YouTube video and do the needful. If you want to come to the sales page, click on the link here. And most importantly, watch this demo video. You will find the link below. Okay, so if you're a professional freelancer or an affiliate or a marketer, or you already are making money online, and if you need this tool to increase your CTR, go get it. If you're a newbie only, watch the video till the end, and I will talk about how to make money using my methods. So stay tuned. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, This is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.